What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Katie's Empire, and we got another interesting video today for you guys to check out. So today's video is going to be about a woman that divorces her husband because he didn't get her anything for Christmas. Let's get into the video.
You're not really gonna get me anything for Christmas.
I don't know how many times I gotta tell you this.
Like anything, nothing. You're not even thinking about the smallest things you can get me.
I literally just lost my job like this.
What's a penny? What's a dollar rose?
What's a dollar rose? What
Exactly.
You mean?
Don't you got change laying around on the floor. You got a piggy bank over there. You can drop out and probably pull out $30.
Man, look, I ain't got time right now. You really need better because this is just one Christmas that
I'm
I
really
missed.
getting pissed off. Just you talking to me right now just pissing me off because I just
Oh,
you're not thinking about nothing.
you're not even considering my pockets right now.
Do you know what I bought you for Christmas?
I literally just lost my job. You worry about Christmas.
It doesn't even matter what I bought you for Christmas because I'm taking you ain't got nothing for me.
Oh, so it's give and take now with you.
I mean, it's giving you win some, you lose some. You ain't got me nothing, so I'm not.
See, look, you on that.
I'm not gonna have nothing for you. You're not bringing nothing to me.
It's all good. It's all good. Facebook watching.
I mean,
Instagram watching.
I mean, okay, they watching you be broke and not be able to get me anything for Christmas.
They understand I'm down bad.
Okay. I can't wait to tell my homegirl this.
Tell her. Tell her whatever you want.
I just can't believe it. Like, I just cannot.
You act like
I mean, how long? When you lost your job like yesterday, right? Like 2 days ago?
3 days ago to be exact.
So you ain't got no money in your savings account? You ain't got no money that you done been saving?
How you think?
I mean, we split that.
Yeah, we split it. I gotta do
So
outside
where's
of
the
you.
other money? You don't got no kids. You don't got nothing. Where your money?
It's Christmas time. I had to take care of my mama. You think you the only person I gotta be worried about?
I come before your mama. Your mama don't fold your clothes. She don't wash your dish. She don't cook for you.
Hold on. That's why I'm gonna stop you there. Cause don't nobody come before my mama. One thing about it.
At the end of the day, I do. And I'll tell Mama Rose that.
Cause one thing about it, don't nobody come before my mama.
Okay, but I do. I'll come before your mama.
What make you feel so high and up and almighty?
I wash your clothes. I fold them. Right after I wash them, I cook your food. I bathe your back if I need to.
My mama did all that for me when I was growing up.
I mean, okay, so what? Is your mama doing other stuff too?
I mean, she take care of me.
I'm just saying, if you don't go out, you got...
Really, what you worry about my mama
days.
for? What you worry about my mama for?
I don't care about your mama right now at this point. I care about what we talk about. You have 3 days to give me a Christmas present. 3.
And if I don't?
And if you don't, what I have in there, which really not much, because I already kind of knew that you wouldn't give me nothing. So I didn't go all out for you this year. But what I have in that closet in 3 days, if you don't have me nothing, I'm taking... Matter of fact, I'm not even giving it to your homeboy. Because he look like he...
So that's how you feel?
I mean, if that's how you feel, that's how I feel too.
See, that's why last year, I cleaned my...
You know what? Whatever.
All right, guys. So y'all let me know. What do you guys think about that particular video? I have some thoughts, man. But one thing that she was saying in the beginning of the video is you got a penny. You got $1. Like, what can you get for a penny? And that dollar rose, you would have been ungrateful if he would have brought you a dollar rose. Let's keep it a band, man. She know good and doggone well that man would have brought her a dollar rose. She still would have had this type of energy. If that man is down bad or whatever he said, he just lost his job 3 days ago. I mean, technically, if y'all are doing that gift thing, he probably should have got the gift ahead of time. But hey, I'm going to let you guys go ahead and chime in. Y'all let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Until the next time, y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.